In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden characters in Character.ai. If you've ever hidden or removed a character from your chats and can't figure out where it went, don't worry. I'll show you a quick way to bring it back and make sure it's easy to find next time. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Character.ai, then open the official Character.ai website. Make sure you're signed in so your chats and preferences load. Let's say you hid or removed a character from your home feed or chat list. You can still find it using search. At the top of Character.ai, click into the search bar. Type the exact name of the character. The more precise you are, the better your results. If you remember the character's profile image or the creator's name, use those to double-check you've got the right one, especially when multiple characters have similar names. Browse the results and look for the character you're trying to recover. When you spot it, click to open. That takes you back to the character's page and lets you view your chat. If you had an existing conversation, it may pick up where you left off. If not, you can start a new one from here. To make that character easy to find in the future, open the Options menu by selecting the three dots in the upper right of the character page. In that menu, click the thumbs up icon to like the character. Liking saves it to your profile so you don't have to search again. From now on, you can go to your profile and look under your liked characters to locate it instantly. It's a simple way to build a personal shortlist of characters you use often. If your interests change later, you can remove the like just as easily. A couple of quick tips. Spelling matters in search, so try the exact title the creator used. If you still don't see it, confirm the character is public and that you're on the correct account. And remember, liking a character doesn't change how it behaves. It only bookmarks it for faster access. That's all you need to find hidden or removed characters on Character.ai, and keep them at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you jump back into your favorite chats without the scavenger hunt.